Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on this time? You can see here 1.78%. The Stellar XLM price will pumps up now. Let me explain my friends to upcoming time. Really huge pump is coming soon or not? Definitely, that's a really good news and really urgent news for all holder now. So please listen and try to understand what I tell you and do this. I am 100% sure you will earn a lot of money from crypto. You will never lost. And yes, it's 100% sure my friends to in upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon. Now Stellar XLM, my friend, if you can see my friend, this time the highest price 0.377583 USD dollar, but in the current price if we focus now, so 0.37, it's mean my friends to the both prices is on the same, and definitely that's mean to they will make a highest target this time. You can see here, so absolutely that's sure, that's clear my friends, to Shiba sorry my friends, Stellar XLM price will be increasing, but when and how much my friends? So this is the very important question my friends. Our price target is 0.5 USD dollar, half USD dollar. I hope they will hit now 0.5 USD dollar, and the main question is when they will hit my friends 0.5. It's clear my friends, so they will hit one day 0.5 USD dollar, but when my friends, just only at the end of month there is a chance so they will hit now. But I have a one question my friend from all of you, to if you are a holder, then why you are not holding? Please tell me, because this time the price is increasing. So definitely this is profit time. When a price is increasing, that's mean to your profit is going to be double now. So please try to understand. You will need my friends to stay here, don't starting selling. And yes, I hope you will understand to upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon. So my friend, if they will just only get a 5%, 5 to 10% profit, then it's possible to they will hit now 0.5 USD dollar. But if they will just only get 1.2 and 1.2% profit, so this is possible to they will hit now just only my friend 0.4 USD dollar. So try to understand still XLM holder. Hope you understand something special in this video. But please, if you are new to my channel and if you want to earn money from crypto, now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.